Hello guys, welcome to TeeMikeMedia YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be listing out some best apps to track social media. Welcome back. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Suppose you want to monitor a cell phone and need to see what is being done or said on a person's social media, I have the best apps to discuss with you right now. All these provide a safe way to monitor social media accounts. Each app will run in the background and cannot be detected by the phone user. Check out these top apps and see why they are a leading choice for thousands who need access to a social media account. So now, let's talk about the reasons to use phone tracker apps. Social media tracking has become a focal point for many. Parents can use social media tracking apps to monitor their kids' activity on social media. These apps can also be used for monitoring employees. Since 40% of employees use social media at work, this is a good way for employers to monitor, use, and address issues. Apps that track social media usage can provide you with detailed information on who is being contacted and how long a person has been using social media and how you read messages. It's actually going to allow you to read messages. So these phone monitoring apps can be a useful tool for parents or those concerned about a spouse having an affair. So 10% of affairs start online, so the ability to track social media can be quite helpful. Now, how do apps that track social media work? So when a social media tracking app is installed on a target device, it starts to collect all data and stores it on a separate server. As a paid subscriber to the app, you can access all stored information using a remote dashboard. These apps provide real-time updates and offer a simple way to monitor any social media account on any platform of your choice. All phone data, including texts, messages, calls, internet browsing, and photos, will be stored and presented on the dashboard for viewing. For viewing actually means it's going to be stored and presented remotely. Now let's talk about the best social media tracking apps. Are you ready to track a phone and social media platforms? Learn more about the top rated apps that can be used. Most have a free trial, so you can test the features before paying for a subscription. These apps are being used by thousands worldwide and provide a great way to monitor the activity on any cell phone. Now, the first social media tracking app I'll be mentioning is number 1, iMobix. iMobix is one of the leading phone monitoring apps that can track social media messages and activity. With the app, you can access Facebook, WhatsApp, and even see someone's Instagram activity. With iMobix, users can track social media on an Android or iOS device without anyone knowing. The social media tracking software runs in the background and delivers you updated information regarding posts, messages, and any photos that have been sent or received. Whether you need to track kids on social media or are trying to catch a cheating spouse, iMobix is a simple app that can be used. The second tracking app I'll be mentioning now is XNSpy. One of the top apps to track social media use is XNSpy. With a subscription, you can gain full access to social media accounts and monitor all activity. Once the app has been installed on the target device, it will collect all the data on the server. You can access this information on the control panel. From there, you can also toggle between different social media platforms. If your kids use different platforms, this is a great option so parents can track their kids social media no matter what they are using. XN Spy operates in stealth mode and will not be detected. The third tracking app I'll be mentioning now is called Spy Bubble. Spy Bubble is a great app that can be used to track a social media activity. Once installed on a target device, the app will allow you to determine what phone users can do when using a social media app. For example, it can track the exact time a user opened the Facebook app and provide detailed information when the app was closed. This information will allow parents to know how much time is being spent on social media platforms. As one of the best social media tracking apps, Spy Bubble allows you to track an app without any root access. With this app, you can track activity on platforms like Zoom, WeChat, Skype, Facebook, Instagram, and many others. The fourth tracking app is called Overwatch. Overwatch is one of the leading cell phone tracker apps available. With this, you can monitor all messages sent through Facebook platform. The app will also save any video or audio files sent through messages when using Facebook. Many people use Snapchat to communicate with others, and with Overwatch, this platform can also be monitored. Whether you are a parent watching your child or concerned partner or spouse, Overwatch will capture all Snapchat communications and display them on a dashboard. So the fifth tracking app I'll be listing now which is going to be the last tracking app for the social media, is called mSpy. It is a top option that provides features that can be used to monitor any social media activity as well as phone activities. The app is easy to install, runs in the background, and does not require one to be friends with another one on Facebook to monitor interactions. You can see all content on social media platforms, including videos, text, photos, and links. So in conclusion, with all I've been saying, with many apps that can be used for tracking social media use, there are safe and simple ways to keep track of your children, employees, or spouse. Simply go for one of the trusted apps I've listed in this video, install it to the target device, select a subscription, and begin monitoring that phone right away. Kindly drop your comment regarding this topic and I'll be ready to reply you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this in order to stay updated. Thank you.